Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you what's in my makeup bag. So the last one I shared with you was in the autumn time, and I thought I would do an updated one now that we're in the new year. So it's kind of like a new year and winter edition what's my makeup bag video. So I've got a few new products in my makeup bag, and these are actually the makeup products that I'm using every single day. So I have like a lot of makeup, but I do keep a makeup bag just so it's easier for me every day to get ready. And I don't have as many products in my bag as usual. Well, at least it feels like there's not as many options in my bag. However, they're like great for me to just grab and use every day. I love like how my makeup looks with using them all, and yeah, I'm excited to share them with you. So before I get into showing you everything in my makeup bag, if you are new to my channel, I would love it if you hit the subscribe button just down below. Click the bell so that you get notified of all my future videos, and of course if you like and enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. Okay, so as normal, this is my everyday makeup bag. I've shown it previously in my other videos. I've been using it for a while now. It is from YSL. I feel like I want to get like a new makeup bag because I'm just kind of like feeling I want a little change, but I haven't seen anything that I really like yet. But anyway, inside here I have all my makeup bits. It's not as jam-packed as usual, like from my previous videos. I've really like jam-packed a lot of products in here to give myself like a lot of options, you know, to use every day. But I've kind of like minimized that. I don't have as many options, which I'm actually really liking. So yeah, I'm going to go through everything. First thing is my foundation. This is the Maybelline Super Stay Skin Tint. This is like amazing. This is the best kind of foundation slash skin tint out there. It's like very full coverage but still very lightweight on the skin, and that's what I have on my face today, and it just looks very flawless. This is something that you guys need to try if you haven't, because it is amazing. Also, I have the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. This is medium 4 shades, and I love using this all over my face before I apply my foundation. It just gives a nice healthy glow to the skin. It also helps perfect the skin, makes you look even more kind of flawless and filtered, and it's great actually to wear on its own without much makeup. So sometimes I'll just apply this on my face and add a little bit of concealer under my eyes, do the rest of my makeup and be done, and I don't even wear like foundation. This is like really good for that, especially when I've got tan on, because usually I don't tan my face too much. I tan my body but not my face, so this kind of helps to like even out, you know, my face, my body. Also, this concealer here from Too Faced I have been loving again. This is the classic Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. This is one of the best full coverage perfecting looking concealers out there. It's just gorgeous, it's flawless. You can actually use this as foundation as well, like if you have like a shade that's a little bit darker, you know, to match your skin tone, then this is actually a really good concealer for foundation. Really, it's just as full coverage as the foundation, like the Born This Way foundation. This is what I have on my under eyes today. Beautiful. Also, the new concealer that I've been enjoying, like I've mentioned to you in my previous videos, is the Laura Mercier Real Flawless Weightless Perfecting Concealer. So this is also a really beautiful concealer. It's very different from the Too Faced one actually, because the Too Faced one is like very full coverage, and this just feels kind of like makeup on the skin, whereas the Laura Mercier one feels a little bit more like skincare. It's very lightweight, it's very hydrating, it has a serum infused formula, so it's very lightweight and it just feels beautiful, and I've been wearing it a ton as well. So I have that in my makeup bag. Also, I have my brow pencil, which is the Benefit Precisely My Brow in 3.5. The best brow pencil ever. Like, it's just so good. Like the actual pencil on it is not too skinny, and it's also not too thick. This works amazingly. It's very effortless to use. I also have in here my bronzer right now that I'm really liking. It's the MAC Give Me Sun. That's it there. Love this bronzer. It's a really nice kind of warm bronzer, and right now because it's winter I'm actually really liking to look more tan, so I'm wearing like some like fake tan, and also this bronzer is really nice to apply to cheeks so you look a little bit more kind of like summery and just beautiful and bronze. So I've been really liking this bronzer right now. It's such a great formula actually. It's very flawless on the cheeks. It has a matte finish to it, which is perfect. For blush, I'm using this one quite a bit. It's the Charlotte Tilbury Peach Pop Matte Blush wand. Yeah, this one is really nice. I've got a couple of these beauty ones. This is one of my favourite shades. And also for contouring, one of my favourites as well is the Hollywood contour ones from Charlotte Tilbury. The perfect shade to chisel out my cheekbones, especially when I'm a little bit more tan. Perfect. And I also have somewhere in here the one from e.l.f. that I've been mentioning to you in my previous videos. It's this one here. It's the Putty bronzer. It's technically a bronzer, it says, but I actually use it for contouring. That's it right there. A gorgeous shade as well, this. It's a little bit lighter in colour than the Charlotte Tilbury one. The Charlotte Tilbury one I wear a lot, but this one I probably use more because it's like I like the tone of this one for every day, and also it's a lot cheaper as well, so I've been getting a lot of use out of this one. Has a very blendable and creamy formula to it. It's gorgeous. Also my brow gel, this one is from Anastasia. I'm just using this one up because, you know, I have it opened, I've been using it for a while. I usually use the Benefit 24-hour brow gel, but I don't have that one right now because I ran out of it. But this one is okay as well, like I'm not too fussed with brow gels right now. And then mascara, I'm still using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. This is like the best mascara out there. It's also drugstore, which is great. It makes your eyelashes very kind of spidery, long, very jet black, a little bit thicker and fuller, which is great. Yeah, my powder is also in here from Laura Mercier. This is the translucent loose setting powder from her. This is the best loose powder out there for setting like your entire makeup, like whether you want to set your concealer, you want to set your foundation or anything like that, even using it for baking, it's really good for that too. And I like to pair that with the Laura Mercier concealer as well. It's great with the Too Faced one, actually, is what I've got on my under eyes today, and I've topped it with this and it looks great, it looks flawless. Love this powder so much. Also, I have a couple of lip liners in here. These are two of my favourites right now. I have the Anastasia Hazelnut, which is this one here. Need to give it a little sharpen. This one's kind of like a beigey neutral colour, and this one is MAC Oak. It's kind of like this warmer light brown shade. Been using that for a long time as well. Okay, so the last few things I have in my makeup bag are my lip products. So I don't have as many lip options in here as I usually have. Well, I'm saying that I probably do, but anyway, let's just show you them. First one, the Anastasia, it's a new one. Anastasia Lip Velvet in Kiss. So that's like a pinky colour. It's a nice moussey lightweight lipstick, so I'm just going to give it a little swatch here on my hand. That's the shade there. It's a kind of nice pinky shade, like a rosy pink actually. And I also have the other shade, which is my favourite actually. This is this shade Peachy. That one is Peachy. As you see, it's like a peachy light brownish colour. And then I also have in here the Charlotte Tilbury Penelope Pink. I love this lipstick. It's so easy and comfortable to just throw on your lips. That's it right there. As you can see, beautiful shade. Let me just swatch it. That's it right there. So as you can see, it's a lot lighter than the two Anastasia ones. So I have like a few different lip options there. And also this one has a slightly creamy, glossy finish to it, and it's so comfortable to wear all the time. And then the last things I have in here are my lip glosses. So these, I have two shades here. They are the Morphe Make It Big lip gloss. So I've been using this shade for a while now. This is the shade Posh Petal. It's gorgeous. It's kind of pinky colour. Makes your lips look very, very juicy and voluminous. But because this is a pink colour, I wanted something a little bit clearer so that when I apply on top of a lot of my lipsticks, it won't really change the colour that much. And I thought this one, which is called In the Clear, would be really good. These are amazing. Like, I highly recommend these for a lip gloss for you. It's not like a really stingy plumping gloss. It's just very comfortable. Makes your lips look great. So yeah, love these. Okay, so that is everything that's inside my makeup bag for this new year. Also, this is like a winter edition as well. So yeah, I have been really enjoying these products here. It's what I'm wearing every day on my face. I like to keep, like I said, a makeup bag so it's easier for me to get ready. and you guys probably know. If not, I do have a lot of makeup in makeup drawers which I need to go through and organise and sort out. So maybe I'll film that, or I'll just do like maybe a makeup collection tour. Like, you don't really see them that often. I think that would be something quite good to do. I'd love to know your thoughts on that. But yeah, I think that'd be quite a good video to do. I haven't seen something like that in a long time actually on YouTube from like other creators. Yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you liked seeing everything that I'm using every day on my face. These are great products. I wanted to share them with you because if you've had your eye on any of these products and are wondering whether they're a good product, then you know they are because they're in my everyday makeup bag. But yeah, so that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, before you leave, hit the subscribe button down below. Also give the video a thumbs up, and I will speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye.